Hello everyone, today we're covering two important topics in AP Pre-Calculus, arithmetic and geometric sequences. So a sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follows a pattern, and each number in the sequence is called a term. Firstly, we have arithmetic sequences. These have a constant difference between terms. For example, 3, 7, 11, 15. Every time we're adding 4, and that makes the common difference 4. For arithmetic sequences, the equation is modeled by a sub n, which is the nth term, or whatever term we're finding, is equal to the first term plus n minus 1, term position minus 1, times d, which is your common difference. Okay, here's the first practice problem. If a sub 1 equals 4 and d is equal to 3, with the given equation, or the given terms, find the fifth term, the seventh term, and the initial term. And here I want you to pause and try and solve it. Okay, if you model your equation properly, then you get a sub 5 is equal to 4 plus 5 minus 1 times 3, which is 16. Then, doing the second problem, you'll get a sub 7 is equal to 4 plus 7 minus 1 times 3, which is 22. And then for your third answer, there's a misconception whether the initial term is going to be 0 or 1. In this context, and for this problem, it is a sub 1. So that's going to be equal to 4. And that's given to us. Sometimes you'll have to find that in your equation. And now for geometric sequences. Geometric sequences can be modeled by the equation a sub n, which is once again your nth term, is equal to a, which is your first term, times r, which is your common ratio here, because in geometric sequences you're dealing with ratios and how much things are multiplying or dividing by. And then the ratio is to the power of n minus 1. And n is still your number term. Okay, for your second problem, a bacteria culture starts with 120 cells and triples every hour. Your problems are find the first 5 terms, the common ratio, write the sequence formula, and find the 8th term. And I want you to pause here and try and solve it. Okay, doing the math, for your first 5 terms, you'll get 120, 360, 1080, 3240, 9720. You can honestly find that by just multiplying 3 5 times, but it's easier to model it with an equation to understand the concept. For answer number 2, your common ratio is 3 since you're multiplying by 3 every single time. The way you will model this equation for any term is a sub n is equal to 120 times 3 to the power of n minus 1. For a sub 8, you sub in 8 into your n spot, and then you'll get 262,440. All right, thank you for watching. Remember to follow the 5 socials on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Visit 55.org for more resources, and follow for more resources. Thank you for your time.